Hello, tech traders. I hope you guys are doing great. You guys are doing fine. So today I want to show you how to um, trade binary option with a simple strategy that I've been using to make money, and I will want you to just check it out. It's very easy. So first of all, let me open. Hold on, just a minute. Okay, so I'm going to open a document now. Just a minute. I have a simple document I've compiled. So I'm compiling it for future purpose and for you guys that want to learn this. Now, number one, these are binary option strategy. I have the first one, I call it Tango strategy. The second one, I call it zero mark strategy. Then the third one, I call it para stock momentum. So now, but the only one I'm going to show you today, let's see. I'm going to show you the Tango strategy. It's very good. I get it now. So the Tango strategy is what I'm going to show you today. So let's see. Let's pick what is Tango strategy. What it does is this. Now, for example, now let's assume we have a kind of indicator like this. I get it now. So here for self signal, we have red candle formation like this and green candle formation like this, or it can be in this manner: green candle first, red candle. This one is much more better when the red candle is last. So the green candle forms, the red candle forms. But if you look at the formation, you will see that the upper wick, that is very, very important, are longer than the lower wicks. Both of them, their upper wicks are longer than the lower wicks. So, and the color, the wicks matter and the color matter. For cell signal, the upper wicks of both must be longer than the lower wicks. Then the color must be like this. The must be green and red. Although sometimes it can be red, the same color, but most of the time it's much more better. Like this one are green and red and green. I get it now, but the lower wick point downward. But this one is much more have a higher priority, because this one is saying that okay, the buyers want to buy, but the sellers here push it the price down. More sellers compared to the more buyers at the weeks here. Are you getting now? Push the price down. Are you getting it now? Then the bearish candle also start from here, want to sell. First of all goes up, the buyers first of all take it up, but most buyers push the price down like this. Then the seller, the sorry, most sellers, okay, let me come again from here now. The buyers take the price down, then the sellers take the price down. Sorry, let me come again. This is the red candle. The sellers take the price down, the buyers take it up to this stage, but the sellers push it down again and say no, we want to sell. Then come down up to this place. Are you getting it now? Then the buyers easily maintain this level. Now, if you look at it, the buyers take it up here, the sellers take it down. Here also, the buyers take it up, the sellers take it down. Now, you see that the pressure, the wicks at the upper is higher, like twice or more than the lower wicks. I get it now. This one is telling us that the next candle will be what? Will be bearish candle. Sellers with sellers have a upper hand. The same thing here. The buyers, the opposite is the buyer. I get it now. Now let's look at it. Let's look at it. Now let's see. Let's look at it. Yeah. Let's look at it. Yeah. Now let's pick. There's no market here. You just have to be patient. So okay, let's see. Let's see. Once you see, okay, look at this here. Look at it here. Okay, hold on. Look at this here. You see the lower wick is higher than the upper wicks. Are you getting it now? Now I can easily this is another strategy. The para uh para stock momentum. Are you getting it now? It's another strategy para stock, but it's another strategy. So that is that the para stock I can enter again. Para stock momentum. So let's see, let's see. Okay. Now look at that. We are in profit. So let's check another. Although it is something like this, understand you need to be patient because the the strategy that the tango strategy doesn't occur uh, like that. But once you see it occur, I get it now. Just what do you do? Just take it. Are you getting it? Just take it. So, and that's just it. You don't need to, okay, okay. I think this one is likely like this, but let me enter this. Let me enter this. Are you getting it now? Because here is what the first week, although it's of the same color. Are you getting it now? The percentage is not as strong as what I'm trying to show you. It's not as strong as what I'm trying to show you. Are you getting it now? So, but let's leave that. Let's leave that. Let's check another market. Okay, look at these two. Look at these two. You can buy this. Let's buy it. Okay. No. Let's buy it. Now, these two, the lower wick is upper than the higher wick. The lower wick here is upper than the higher wick. But if you look at the level, you see that the price was still coming down. Are you getting it now? But the buyers are taking. That's why this one, the wick is not on the same level. Are you getting it now? So it's not of the same level. So this buyer's wick form a lower low. So that's why this candle comes in, and that's the reason why I took. Uh, if you take this one, you'll have won, but it's too late. So that's why I took the next one. Are you getting it now? So that's this reason why you see, we the buyers are you don't stay long here. The buyers are trying to push it down and taking it up. That we want that, we want all this. Can you see? We want all this, we want all this, we want all our entries. Can you see? We want all our entries. Why? Because let me interpret these two candles for you. We want all our entries. We want all our entries. We want all our entries. Now let me interpret that candle for you. This one is the sellers, but the buyers push it up. The lower candle is upper than the higher wick. Now this is the buyer. The seller want to take it down. The sellers make another low. Are you getting it now? So the sellers take it down like this, but the buyers took control. But don't forget that here you see from this level here, the sellers has make another lower low. So anything is possible for the next one. So everything being that this candle now form like this but did not make lower low, it will have been better to just buy the next time. But if you buy it and it's like this, you lose, you buy again. You understand? Okay. Now look at this. Now the sellers take it down but couldn't make another lower low. Couldn't make another lower low. You understand? Couldn't make another lower low. That's the reason if you will have bought this, you will have won. But we took this, we won. Are you getting it now? But it's still okay. Now, looking at our diagram, you see that the level of the candle matter most. Like this one now, it can be like this. Let me copy another one here. It can be like this. It can be like this. Let me edit. It can be like this. Just a minute. Uh, okay. Just a minute. Okay. Just a minute. Let me take this one down like this. Okay. Okay. Now look at that. Are you getting it now? Look at that. So you see that the okay, just a minute, let it update. I think the internet was slow. What I'm trying to point out is, now look at this. Now you see that the higher wick and the higher wick of the two, they are both longer and their color is different. The last color is red candle, telling us that sellers want to take control. Now, if you look at it, you see that this here did not form another higher high, but form lower low. This one is very strong, very, very strong. Are you getting at like 98%? Let me put a test here, like 98%. You don't need to trade everything. You just need to 98% sell, sell, selling. Okay, you can say, let's say 98% sell, 98% sell. Are you getting it now? This 98% for selling. Understand? 98% for selling. That's it. Now let's copy. Let me copy another one here. Eh? Now let me take this thing up. Now look at this. You see this? Now look at this. You see this? Now it's still the same formation, but the placement eh, of the high and the low is not the same thing with this. So all these things, positioning, the color, the wicks, and everything is saying something. So if you look at this, it's still the same thing, but it's like the buyers make a new higher high. So that means that the buyers, they are still interested in taking the price up. Here the buyers, they are interested in taking the price up, but the sellers are much more interested in taking the price down with a higher probability than the buyers. Now, here, the sellers are also interested in taking the price down. The buyers are also interested in taking the price up, but there are much more of interest of what creating a new price upward than the sellers. Understand? So this one now, the probability of the next candle being being uh um being a sell candle bearish is 60%. I get it. It can be, it may not. So there are 40% chance of what buyers first of all forming green candle before the next candle uh will be red candle. Understand? So this one is much more stronger. You understand? So that is it. That is it. So let me put this one here. Understand? So what am I showing you here? I'm showing you something that says something. Understand? Showing you a powerful something. Are you getting it now? So the unlike this one now, understand? The level is at the same level. Is this one is look like a tweezer? Yeah, I think it's tweezer candle pattern. Understand? For something like this, if the wick upper wick is higher than the below, the next candle is always what? Always always red candle. Are you getting it now? So like this one now, we can give this one a percentage sell. Let's say can give this one also. Let's give this one 95%. 95%. Are you getting it now? Let's give it 95%. Why we give this? Why we give this? Why we give this? Now, because of the color, the last color. Are you getting it now? So because of the last color, we can give this one. Can give this one 80%. Now let's give it 75%. You're getting it now. Let's give this one 75%. You get it? So that is it. So this and this are much more stronger than this and this. This is much stronger than this. Like it now. This one, this is 60% each. It's what we discovered here. Here, can you see? This is the buying one. So that's why this was supposed to be this was supposed to be uh green, but first of all form red before forming green because of the positioning of the wicks here, lower wicks. Now the same thing happened to this one. Look at this one and this one. You see the color? This is supposed to be the next one is supposed to be the green, but because of the positioning, the lower wick is higher than the upper wick. But the last candle here, the lower wick formed another lower low. Are you getting it? Can you see before this green candle now forms? Do you understand now? So that is how you can now look at this. This is of the same color. Are you getting it now? You can use the same color. Understand? You can use the same color, but it's much more stronger when the color. Okay, let me put a different color. If all these have the same color, this one, this one, this one, these three have the same color. Understand? It will be like 90%. Understand? So can you see? So weeks say something. Now look at this one that is forming now. I won't trade next. I won't trade next. I won't. I won't trade next because this the two candle here has formed lower wick higher than the upper wicks, but this one make a new lower low. New lower low. I'll just wait for this one to form. You understand now? Wait for this to form. This is of the same color. It's okay. Are you getting it now? So if it was of the same color, maybe 80% to 90%. Are you getting it now? So now let's wait. After this, now can you see? So the sellers is taking it down because this piece, this the lower low here is saying something that the buyers are interested in taking the price down. So what I will do, I will buy again, buy. You can buy more, just buy more, just buy more. You see what's happening? It will go up. Once it's going up, all those ones in losses can take them out. This one can buy more. So those are the things. Those are the things. So you know, So can you see what is happening? Now this is, can you see that we're in profit? We won that. Can you imagine that? Look at with the tricks that the market gave us. It first of all come down with a big sell, thinking that we'll lose. A lot of people will have stopped their entry. Can you see? They will have stopped their entry here, thinking that this want to form a red candle. Are you getting it? That is the first win. This is the second win. This is the second win. We're going to the third win. The market wants to come down. Don't let it come down. We can take our profit out. Are you getting it now? That's the third win. This is the fourth win. We won everything. Can you see? We won everything. I enter everything and we won them. You understand? What did I do? I enter here. So when the market was going up, when the market was coming down, I was entering again. When it was coming down, I was entering again. When it was coming down, I was entering and another in the direction of what my prediction, which is buy, 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 buy. I get it now. So once the market was showing a candle here, we know that it will surely go back up. And what happens? It go back up and end in what? So this is what bias. This is the manipulation of what of the brokers to trick traders decision. So this is how you trade your binary option. This, you see what we're just, we use a simple scenario, Tango strategy, to make a decision. So once you enter here and you see market is coming down against you and you are in loss, you know that this is a buying signal. Buy again. It's an opportunity for you to keep buying and getting that. And we want everything. You understand? So that is that. So this is the Tango strategy. This is I even use the 60% on. Can you see? 60%. Although that one is even of the same color, which is like 55% or 50%. This one, can you see these two? Are you getting it now? These two. I will buy here, but sometime, be 55 or 60%, it can first of all come down before going up. That's why I did not buy this. Are you getting it now? So, but if you like, you can buy it. Once you lost it, you can increase the martinga and uh buy again. Understand? But I waited and I buy this, I bought this, and we won. You understand this? This is a simple strategy. So I have the PDF here. It's just three, and I'm trying to put more. So if you want this, you can subscribe for it. Understand? You can subscribe for it. This is $20. I get it now. I'm giving this one is one of the top notch. I get it now. So I've given you this. I have more. I have more zero marked this thing. So they are top notch. So you can ask for it. Chat with me on WhatsApp. Check my description below. Chat with me on WhatsApp. I will send it to you, but it's not free. I've given you one for free. You can use that one. This one I'm giving to you now is one of the top notch I'm even using. I guess now to build your capital using binary option strategy. So thank you very much. Bye. And before I go, if you are joining my channel for the first time, subscribe to this channel because there are so many opportunities here. Trust me, so many opportunities. You will love it. So subscribe and like my video, comment. Let me know what you think. Bye bye. Have a nice day.